Getting hands-on with the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 has been an eye-opening experience. This Windows-powered tablet is packed with power in a sleek, portable design. While it may look similar to its predecessors, Microsoft has introduced major improvements both in display and performance. Close-up of Microsoft Surface Pro 11. At its core, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 boasts high-end Qualcomm hardware, featuring 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. It's also part of Microsoft's new Copilot AI PC lineup, leveraging AI to enhance user experience, though some features like webcam settings might not be game changers. However, with a stunning OLED display, this could be one of the best 2-in-1 devices available right now, device in hand showing different angles. Despite retaining the anodized aluminum chassis, the Surface Pro 11 feels fantastic to hold and use. Available in 4 stylish colors: sapphire, dune, platinum, and black, it's designed with premium aesthetics in mind. The sturdy kickstand extends up to 165 degrees, offering versatility whether you're using it as a tablet, a secondary screen, or a laptop with its attachable keyboard. A Microsoft Surface Pro Flex keyboard in action. The Surface Pro Flex keyboard is impressively slim yet robust. It's available in black and bright sapphire, seamlessly complementing the screen. There's also a dedicated holster for the Surface Slim Pen 2, which charges while docked. However, removing the pen can be a bit tricky. Close-up of display showcasing clarity and colors. One of the standout features of the Surface Pro 11 is its 13-inch OLED display. With a 2880x1920 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 3:2 aspect ratio, it's an absolute dream for media work and video playback. It's incredibly bright, reaching 535 nits, outperforming many other OLED laptops. While color accuracy is slightly below perfection, its ultra-low Delta E rating ensures true-to-life visuals. Typing demonstration. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The compact keyboard takes some getting used to, but once you adjust, typing is smooth with solid haptic feedback. The touchpad, however, is smaller than ideal, requiring multiple swipes to navigate the screen, and its sensitivity can sometimes be inconsistent. Performance benchmarks on screen. Performance-wise, the Surface Pro 11 is surprisingly powerful for a compact device. With the Snapdragon X Elite processor, Qualcomm Adreno GPU, and Hexagon NPU, it delivers strong benchmark scores. It even holds its own against Apple's M3 chip in multitasking, though it slightly trails the latest M4 processor. Graphics performance is solid, making it great for photo editing and light video work, though heavy-duty creators may need a dedicated GPU. Battery performance demonstration. Battery life is another highlight. Clocking in at 14 hours and 18 minutes, it efficiently manages power through its AI-driven NPU. While it falls short of the Surface laptop's impressive 17 hours, it still outperforms many other 2-in-1 devices, showcasing ports. Now, let's talk about ports. The Surface Pro 11 features 2 USB-C ports and a magnetic charging port, but no headphone jack, so wireless audio is a must. The placement of the ports can be a bit awkward when using the device in laptop mode, especially when connecting multiple peripherals. Webcam test footage. The 10MP rear camera and 1440p front webcam offer crisp visuals for video calls. AI-powered studio effects enhance your video feed, and additional AI features like background removal in CapCut and Paint's co-creator tool add creative possibilities. Summary screen with key points. So, should you buy the Microsoft Surface Pro 11? If you're looking for a high-performance tablet that doubles as a laptop, this is the best Surface Pro yet. However, if you need a true laptop experience, some quirks like limited ports and the clip-on keyboard may be deal breakers. Alternative options. If you're considering alternatives, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch offers a phenomenal XDR Liquid Retina display and Apple M4 power, making it a solid choice for creatives. Meanwhile, the HP Spectre X36014 delivers a more conventional 2-in-1 experience with a strong GPU and longer battery life at a lower price. Ultimately, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 is a powerful, sleek, and ultra-portable device that brings Windows performance to a whole new level. Is it the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments.